Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and thank you so much for watching. Today we're gonna make another recipe. So I have a little carrot that we have to blend. It just take a few seconds, but in the day it's worth it. Carrot is done and ready to cook. So it's just gonna add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I have 1 clove of garlic and 1 spring onion, just cut it roughly. I just gonna add to the pan. It doesn't need to sound good. I'm just gonna add my carrot to this carrot. So this is great. Now you can cut this one, but I just great. Okay. Give it a good mix. You just need to cook for a few seconds. You don't need to cook all the way through. I'm gonna add the salt and that's it. This again, and then it'll be done. Literally just to work. Another part I have my potato. I think it's ready. In a few seconds, it will be ready. So yeah, then we're ready to go. Literally, it takes a second to cook. There you go. Okay, looking for. Maybe just a few more seconds, it will be ready. There you have it, my potatoes already done. I don't need the potato much or anything because it's so soft. I can do it with a fork. It just is too sticky for the camera, so yeah. You just mash it down. There you go. I have already mashed. I'm just gonna add my carrots. As you can see, it's not really mashy. Still crunchy. I'm just gonna add all that. Okay. You give it some nice colors, orange one. I'm gonna add some chili flake. I'm not add a lot because it's for my children. So I have some fennel seed. You can see it, but obviously after you can put any kind of seed or season you like. I have a small paprika. That's a sweet one, and black pepper, salt. And we give it a very good mix with everything combined. I'm gonna give a bigger spatula. It's more easy, this one. It still is smoky now. Literally, there's the smoke coming through. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of cheddar. You can add mozzarella. It's okay too. You don't need it a lot. Okay. And then you give it a good mix. And then you're done. There you go. That's the consistency we're looking for. So I have an egg. We're just gonna add some fresh milk, salt, I will add a tablespoon of flour. First you give it a good mix. Tablespoon. Give a mix and then all the vinegar. I forgot the black pepper. It give me like a kick. This one we're done. We're just gonna put it aside and then we swap it back again. We just have a large plate. is my pizza plate. So yeah, my hand is clean already. You can't use any oil or water or whatever. I just take a spoon. I do this one. And then take some time, but it's worth it. I'll put that. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of normal flour. Oops, you got that? I'm just gonna put in my plate for not make it sticky because I don't want to put any flour inside. I'm just gonna put that. You can do it any shape you like. I just do it easy, like it more easy. Sorry, my hand is heavy flour, but inside it's not flour. It's just to avoid to stick in the plate and just put it on. I put a small size, but you can use burger size as well. But I think this size is great for the kids as well. So yeah, ready to cook. I'm just gonna add some vegetable oil. Now we are ready. So actually, I will just take it and we'll transform it into my one. I'm ready with the shape. You just can put it back again. As you can see, and transfer into the oil. We take a spoon, it's more easy because it is no flour in it, so that's why it goes like that. So I'll take it and put it that way. See? And then I do the next one. We do the same. We dunk it there and we take it off with a spoon. And then we cook very gently. Yeah, we can use it all. Now we are ready to flip it. You can see in the bottom. We're going to do the last one. It's ready to take it off. You can see. And we repeat the same process again. I'm just going to put in the plate with a tea towel. There you have it. This is my final result. You can see it. Very delicious, warm, tasty. Your family will enjoy. There you have it. Hopefully you like it and you make it. It is tasty. Just try it. There you go. Then hopefully you like it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It's worth it to make it your own at home. Delicious. Thank you.